Ben with Tucson Future Classics, here to show you stock number 24115. This is a 1986 Ford E350. A lot of work has been done to this machine, including a four-wheel drive conversion. It was built by a Baja race team here in Tucson during COVID, just to keep them busy. So they threw a lot of time and money on this thing. Up front, you could find this custom bumper that they fabricated in the shop, and this winch that's rated for 9,500 pounds. Up top, you can see a custom roof rack that they made in the shop with an LED light bar. This thing has aluminum wheels all around with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. On the side here, you can see a ladder that leads up to that roof rack. There's a power retractable side step that comes down when you open the door, and I'll show that in a few minutes. While the shop worked on it, they put in a new radiator, alternator, belt, water pump, and gaskets. Here in the back, you can see two more LED light pods mounted to the roof rack. This bumper here is also custom fabricated by the shop, as well as the spare tire carrier. And on the bottom, you can see there's a tow hitch. The hubs in the front are manually locking. On this driver's side, you do have an onboard generator. I'll show that in a few seconds. Go ahead and show you the frame. Here's that onboard generator. It's rated for 4,500 watts. Also has a built-in air compressor for all your tire filling needs or air tools. To start it up, all you need to do is hold down the start switch for a couple seconds and it'll fire right up. And with that generator on the passenger side, you have some external power outlets. So if you're on the job site, you always have access to your power tools. Start back here and show you that two items are plugged in right now. Now for a quick demonstration of the onboard air compressor. This is attached to the hose. Here in the interior, you have easy access to the generator. Just open this lid right here. And now for the interior. In each front door there is a 6x9 speaker. All of the seats in the van are late model. They're made out of either leather or a vinyl material, and they have armrests. They're very comfortable. And you can find some more of them in the back of the van. It does have this GT Grant steering wheel. Gauge cluster that is fully operative. In the center here, you do have a Pioneer head unit with Bluetooth that connects to those front speakers. We'll go ahead and start it up. Turns right over. This does have fast fuel injection. In the screen right here, you could configure that or look through various monitors of the vehicle. Here's that Pioneer head unit starting up. In the middle here is your selector for the four-wheel drive transfer case. We'll go ahead and move on to the passenger side, where all the fun stuff is. Here's that power operating side step. Plenty of space to get into this van. You have a seat right here and another seat right here. And now in the back, you do have a tool chest with a couple drawers, shelves rather. I believe you need oh, there we go. Plenty of space to keep yourself organized with whatever you decide to do with this van. Now we'll step to the rear of the van and show you that spare tire carrier. To open it, you just need to lift this pin up and out. Tire carrier swings out, and from there you could access the trunk. To operate the light bars on the outside of this vehicle, there's a control panel with two switches here. Just flip them up and they'll all be on. There's that LED light bar here in the front, fully lit up. And two pod lights here on the rear. Under the hood here, you don't have a whole lot of access to the engine, which is pretty standard for these full-size vans. Most of the access comes from the interior. You just have to remove a giant panel with two bolts. But under here, you could access a lot of your fluids. This van does have two batteries. And now for a demonstration of the winch. Here's the remote, which plugs right into the unit on top here. There's an on switch, very simple to use. We have the rope tied around a tree. We'll go ahead and get going. Perfect for getting you out of any off-road situation where you might be stuck. If you're interested in this van or need more information and pictures, check out our website, TucsonFutureClassics.com. If you'd like to schedule a test drive, please text or call us at 520-268-6244.